Hello and welcome to a new uniTFTDesigner video tutorial. My name is Jonas and I'm working for Electronic Assemblies development team.
Today's topic is the SpinBox. Create, customize and use it. You can imagine we need a SpinBox. Just drag into the screen. The first path is filling the box with values. Please double-click on the object. We want to create a box for setting the date, month and year. I delete the existing values and insert a multi-list by a right-click. The pop-up asks for the format and the start and end value. For the month, we need the month names, which I have to insert manually. The easiest is using a double-click. The year is automatic again. I can use the insert multi, let's say the next 10 years. We are ready with the 3 boxes. To change the look, I add a corner radius and a little more space between them and increase the individual box width. As there is much space on the screen, it's maybe better to see more entries. I give the SpinBox a nice name, start the simulator by pressing F6 and test our SpinBox. As we also want to do something on the change event, I need a slot that is called. So I create a new macro, going to the project view and create it, giving the macro a meaningful name. I connect the release macro with a new macro. That means the macro is called if the value is changed. In that macro, we can check the changes and react. I simply want to output the new date in the terminal area of the display. Therefore, we need the command VSO that reads the object string. I read to string register 0 and print it with YPA to the terminal window. Please do not forget to add carriage return line feed at the end. I start the simulator again to test our output. You can see it works like a charm. Maybe you need the index of the boxes in a variable. Therefore, I add the command variable register integer VRI and write to register 0, 1 and 2. The calculation command that is needed is object box value. The parameters are the object ID and the box index starting with 1. To visualize, I add the values to the terminal string. I output the string formatted. Watch out for the semicolon as separator between format string and parameters. Let's test again. We can see the box indexes are printed perfectly.
I hope you enjoyed today's uniTFTDesigner tutorial. Maybe you have time and play around a little bit with our other sample projects and enjoy our video tutorials.